Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 8A, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, you want to open up the settings app. From here, tap on About Phone, where you will find Backup and Reset. And at the bottom, we have Erase All Data Factory Reset. Tap on it, and at the bottom, Reset Phone. Now, for some reason, it gives you 10 seconds to read a couple sentences, and in a way it just tells us that performing this process will remove all the personal data. So if there's anything that you like to keep, you want to back it up before, otherwise you lose it permanently. And once you feel like the 20 seconds of your life were wasted for enough that you can never get back, tap on OK, and the process should begin. Now this will take probably a couple minutes, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.